costing me these sausage muffin harvey, sorry for the late start. It just went off. Yeah. And it nearly did. And a van was stuck in the crossing when it went off. It was a misuse stuck van driver. So guys, as you probably know, Sats isn't next week, Floss. It's the week after, so I will be doing more videos. Yay! Where is it coming anyway? That way?
Yeah, that way.
What is it?
Fish or something.
I want to get one and one, see if he's grumpy.
There's one during a minute.
Nice.
Should be a couple of minutes after the this closure actually.
Massive.
Probably about. I'm going to say here, Michael.
Guys, leave in the comments what do you reckon would be best for Christmas? A GoPro or a tripod? Let me know in the comments. But I'm tempted to get a GoPro because they are like so cool. Why? I don't mind. Wait, you know, I'll say no better. Why? I'm staying here, Harvey, I won't worry. Three 7 429 427. And right we go, thank you guys, see you next video.